And we're back to learn CapCut in year day 23. Let me show you how to rotate a clip. Got this simple footage right here. And first up, you want to make sure that it's selected in the timeline. So if it's deselected, you see at the top right, the menu changes. Just left click on it and then you can see video, basic, and here's the rotate function. You can rotate it directly here numerically, type it in or use up and down arrows. When you use positive values, it's going to be clockwise and negative values is counterclockwise. Let me go back to 0. You also have the option to use this icon down here. Just left click drag and then you can do that manually and you can see on the right side the value is adjusted in real time. Third, we have this wheel and this is basic rotation, but there's one more option. And that option is actually better when you don't want to animate your rotation. But if you just want to rotate it, you can see we always had these black bars when we've used under video basic the rotation. And this is due to the scaling. And we can get around that by using the crop feature right here. If you left click on it, it's going to open a new window. And here if you rotate, it's going to get scaled up at the same time, which leaves the black bars outside of our frame. And here yet again, negative values will be counterclockwise. And the positive values will be clockwise rotation. And if you confirm, you can see we've got it rotated and the black bars are gone. So if you just need a simple rotation without the animation, once again, use that function under crop. But if you want to animate your clip, it's actually better to use it under video basic. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.